Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram page for business. So first of all, open Instagram. Now I'm provide easy methods step by step, so follow my all process very carefully. Click on to profile, look at the right side, tap on to three line, scroll down, click on account type and tools, switch to professional account, continue, select your business category, and then done. You can select business, not select to creator, and then next. You can easily add email, phone number, and then next. Okay, now done. So that's how you can easily create an Instagram page for business.